In addition to minor changes in appearance, the cockpit has been significantly improved from materials to the engine to better meet the needs of interior users. There are minor changes in appearance. The inner grille of the spindle-shaped grille has been replaced with a smoother horizontal fish float grille. The headlights have changed significantly. The daytime running lights have become a combination of two hook-shaped structures. The bead lamp has become 3 independent lamp housings, and the light source has also been upgraded to a matrix LED. In addition, small wing-shaped deflectors have been added to the ventilation ducts on both sides to enhance the aerodynamic effect. The side profile is basically unchanged, with a traditional mid-level sedan shape with a medium wheelbase and sufficient length. The dimensions also remain unchanged. The length, width and height are 4975/1866/1447 mm, and the wheelbase is 2870 mm respectively. The 17-inch two-tone wheels have inner and outer spokes to enhance the sense of perspective. The tire specification is 215/55 which matches the Yokohama Blue Earth GT series products and has excellent wear resistance and low rolling resistance. The main change at the rear of the car is the taillights, which are now popular with light strips. The main light strips on both sides have also changed to a double L shape, and the car logo in the middle of the rear cover has been changed. The changes in the cabin are even greater. The center console has been changed to a 2-color combination, the front surround panel has been changed to silver, and 64-color ambient lights have been added to the lower part. Richer, completely changing the dull feeling of the previous all-black interior. The central display has also been changed to a horizontally arranged 14-inch large display, and the panel has been integrated into the dashboard shell. The previous horn control lever has been cancelled, and the driving mode lever on the right side has been moved. The ESP shutdown button has been taken under the left air outlet. The shape of the steering wheel has not changed. It is made of leather, comfortable to the touch, and has a suitable size. It has electric 4-way adjustment and memory functions, but the paddle shifters have been cancelled. The right lane is used to control the L-tube level driving assistance system, including full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane keeping and centering functions. The 7-inch LCD instrument display combines with the backlight on the right side, and the UI interface changes slightly in different driving modes. The 14-inch screen and larger panel look more impressive. There is a clock on the side of the panel, and the air conditioning and volume buttons at the bottom, which make blind operation more convenient. The touch fluency of the screen is average, and the UI interface is relatively traditional. The system has been upgraded to the Lexus interface by adding internet applications such as QQ Music, Huashan Car Entertainment, etc. parking payment, smart furniture, etc. It also supports Baidu CarLife and Lexus Connect mobile phone connections, and added a voice assistant function. Hello Little Girl can wake her up and control multimedia, navigation, phone and air conditioning. The gear lever plate is basically unchanged, and the mechanical gear lever is preserved. There are open double cup holders on the left side, the only mobile phone position with wireless charging in the rear, and the armrest box has an average volume and built-in structure. The seat is made of artificial leather with appropriate soft and hard padding. The backrest has good lateral support, 4-way height adjustment and 2-way lumbar adjustment. The front seats support heating and ventilation, and the driver's seat has a memory function. The rear seats are also made of artificial leather, and there are holes in the parts that contact the body. The seat cushion length is a bit short, and the backrest has good lateral support. The vertical height is relatively weak. It is not too crowded for 3 people to sit horizontally. There is more protrusion on the central platform, which has a greater impact on the foot movements of the middle passenger. In terms of configuration, there are floor air outlets with dual USB ports, a central foldable armrest with dual cup holders and storage compartments, and a normal sunroof on the roof. The main change is the removal of the rear window sunshade, but the panoramic sunroof is optional. The traditional volume of the trunk is 454 L, the depth and width are good, the height is low, and the opening is not very large. The rear seats do not support folding to expand the space, but there is a central channel for accessing small items. It is a power combination of 2.0 L self-aspirated engine and CVT transmission. The maximum engine power is 127 kilowatts, 173 PS, /6600 RPM, The maximum torque is 206 Nm/4600-5000 rpm. The fuel consumption is 6.21 L/100 km. A 2.5 L hybrid system is still offered, with overall fuel consumption as low as 4.8 L/100 km. There is no change in the chassis, which consists of a combination of McPherson independent suspension at the front and a multi-link independent suspension at the rear.